Yes, hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to solve this problem. And this exercise I adapted from SASMO, that is Singapore and Asian Schools Math Olympiad. So now we solve it together. Yeah. This operator is called a tensor. The operator tensor acts on the two numbers to give the following outcome. If 2 tensor 6 equal to 44 and 4 tensor 10 equal to 87 and 8 tensor 18 equal to 1613 and 16 tensor 22 equal to 2019. So it's want to know about the value of 32 tensor 34. Yeah, the answer is in there. So now we need to find a relation between this number. Yeah. So you need to find a relation between 2 and 6 and between 4 and 10 or between 8 to 18 and 16 to 22. So when I saw this problem, I see that. I see that. Yeah, sorry. If 2 tensor 6 equal to 44, we can write like that. 2 tensor 6 equal to 6 minus 2 and 2 plus 6 over 2. But note that we don't multiply the bracket, but we write them next to each other. So 6 minus 2 is 4 and 2 plus 6 over 2 is 4. Okay. So now we see that it's 44. The next one is 4 tensor 10. So we can do like it again. E 10 minus 2 and 4 plus 10 over 2. So now I can write like that. 10 minus 2 is 8 and 4 plus 10 over 2 is 7. Okay, so we get 87. Okay, the next one is 8 tensor 18. So we write like that. 18 minus 2 and 8 plus 18 over 2. So 18 minus 2 is 16 and 8 plus 18 over 2 is 16. So now we get 16, 30. The last one is 16 tensor 22. So we do like a following before. We get that 22 minus 2 and 16 plus 22 over 2 is 2019. Okay. So the answer, this this pattern is following this pattern is following a tensor B equal to B minus 2 and A plus B over 2. But now that we don't multiply this bracket, but we can write them like to each other like the following above. Okay, so the answer is, is 32 times 34. So equal to 34 minus 2 and 32 plus 34 over 2. So the last answer is 32, 33. Okay. So the right answer of this multiple choice is number D. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. And if you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.